Hmm. What do we have here? This is the mirror box mechanism of the Nikkorex F. As you can see, the mirror is a little bit corroded on the edges. I'm not going to replace the mirror, so I'm just going to leave that be. You can remove the mirror by unscrewing the braces here and here. I'm actually surprised that the Nikkorex F made by Mamiya is actually very well built. It's very easy to take apart as well. So the original problem is the mirror doesn't return once the shutter is actuated. So this is how the mirror box mechanism works. So this lever gets pushed every time you click the shutter. Now, every time you cock the camera, it does this. Then engages the interlock, and this spring stores all the energy all the way here. This is the stop down lever. It actuates the iris of the lens every time you depress the shutter button. Now let's trigger this lock, see what happens. Oops, how the hell did I do that? It's really very hard doing a video. Maybe I should buy a GoPro like this. Okay, this is starting to make me look bad. There you go. The mirror goes down. Let's do it again. Ooh. Goes back. And then again. One last time. Oh boy, so many things are happening at the same time. So that's it. That's the mirror box mechanism of the Nikkorex. So many simple machines working at the same time just to make all this happen. Amazing, isn't it? So it goes like this, lock, trigger, and all this happens in a few milliseconds. Amazing, huh?